Hello everyone, this question is about integration. Using the substitution, find the area bounded by the curve and the x-axis, so the shaded part, in the form a root 13, a rational, 5 marks. So this is part A of the question. So this is the curve equation y equals x plus 5 times root 3 minus 2x. So to find the area, we have to find the x-intercepts. To find the x-intercepts, we solve y equals 0. So x plus 5 root 3 minus 2x equals 0, which means x plus 5 is 0, which means x is minus 5. Or root 3 minus 2x is 0, which means 3 minus 2x is 0, so x is 3 over 2. So now the integral for the area is the integral from minus 5 to 3 halves of the function x plus 5 root 3 minus 2x dx. Now the substitution we have to use is u equals 3 minus 2x. So from this substitution in the instruction here, from here we can replace 3 minus 2x with u. Now the next step is to find the du dx, the derivative of 3 minus 2x with respect to x, which is just minus 2. And if you rearrange, you get dx, so you can switch this, swap, you get dx equals du over minus 2. So from here we can replace the dx with du over minus 2. And now if you wanna use substitution, just transform the terminals. When the x is minus 5, you replace this x with minus 5, you're gonna get u equals 13. And when the x is 3 halves, you replace this with 3 halves, you get 3 minus 3, which is 0. So now you can replace the minus 5 with 13 and the 3 halves with 0. So as you can see, if we do this, we still have x plus 5. So somehow we have to substitute this x plus 5 because we need everything to be in terms of u. So we have to do the algebra. From this equation here, we can move the minus 2x to the left, we have plus 2x. We move the u to the right, we get minus u, and then we divide both sides by 2. So we have x equals 3 halves minus 1 half u, and then plus 5. 3 halves plus 5 is 13 over 2. So now we can replace x plus 5 with 13 over 2 minus 1 over 2u. Okay, so after we substitute everything so that everything is in terms of u, now we can simplify and start integrating. So minus 2 times this whole thing, we get minus 13 over 4 plus 1 over 4u, and square root means to the power of 1 half, and you can multiply, we get 3 halves because of 1 plus 1 half, and then we can start integrating. So when you integrate, just rewrite the coefficient. U to the power of 1 over 2 becomes u to the power of 3 over 2 because 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by the new power. Same concept here, rewrite. The new power is 5 over 2 divided by that new power, and then simplify a little here, we get 6. Simplify here, we get 10, and then we plug in 0. If you plug in 0, this is 0, this is 0. If you plug in 13, well, 13 to the power of 3 halves, use your calculator, you get this. 13 to the power of 5 halves, you get this. And actually you can just use a calculator for the whole thing here. You'll get 169 over 15 root 13 final answer. Alright, I'll see you again next time.